Hi kids, Higa dance!
Sparrow. Sparrow is a small and brown colored bird. Sparrow eat grains, insects, and small seeds. They build nests in roofs and trees and walls. Sparrows chirp sweetly in the morning. Parrot. Parrot. The parrot is a colorful and beautiful bird. It can talk and imitate human voices. Parrots eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. They have a strong curved beak. Baby parrots are called as chicks. Peacock. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. The male peacock is called a peacock and the female peacock is called as a peahen. They eat grains, insects, and small plants. Crow. Crow. The crow is a black bird. It is very clever and intelligent. Crows eat grains, fruits, and insects. They make nests on tall trees. The crow's sound is called cow cow. Eagle. Eagle. The eagle is a strong and powerful bird. It has sharp eyes and can see from very far. Eagles fly high in the sky. The eagle is known as the king of birds. Owl. Owl. The owl is a bird that stays active at night. It has big eyes and can see well in the dark. Owls eat insects, rats, and small birds. The owl is known as wise bird. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. The kingfisher is a small and colorful bird. It has a long, sharp beak. Kingfisher catch fish from rivers and ponds. They can dive quickly into the water. The kingfisher is known for its bright blue and orange feathers. Pecker. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers are birds that peck trees to find insects. Woodpeckers have strong beaks. They have stiff tails that help them climb trees. Woodpeckers make holes in trees to build their nest. Swan. Swan. Swans are beautiful birds. They live in lakes, ponds, and rivers. Swans are very good swimmers. They eat plants, small fish, and insects.
Like, share, and subscribe!